In this video, I will be showing you how to forward emails from email account in Namecheap. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to log into Namecheap account. And next, you need to click Hosting List tab on the left side of the screen. And again, click this cPanel button to enter the cPanel settings page. In this cPanel settings page, click and enter forwarders under email section. To forward emails from email account to another, click Add Forwarder button in this page. Next, enter the username of the email account which you intend to forward. And in the domain field, select the domain to which the email account is associated. Next, enter the forwarding email account to which the emails have to be forwarded to. And finally, click Add Forwarder button below. And done, add email forwarder in Namecheap account. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.